the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Digital World Acquisition Corporation with the ticker symbol DWAC. As you can see, the stock is down by quite a bit today, trading at about $63.25, down 1.95%, and after hours it is down a further 0.16%. Now this is the shell company, or the blank check company, that aims to merge with the Trump Media and Technology Group to form a new social media powerhouse. The crown jewel of the Trump Media and Technology Group so far is the Truth Social media app, which is when it was launched, it was #1 in the App Store, and after that the app has gone down in downloads, but already there's a lot of people who have the app on their devices. Well, right now, the Truth Social Media app has Donald Trump himself, President Donald Trump himself is on the app, and also his son Eric Trump, or Donald Trump Jr., who is also on the app. President Donald Trump is not very active. He has put out just one message on the app saying that he will be getting with his followers on there shortly, and that was the only statement he put out. Whereas Donald Trump Jr., or Eric Trump, is more active, and so far, since joining the platform on the 28th of March 2022, in just about 4 days, he has amassed about 144,000 followers, and he's quite active on that platform. President Donald Trump has about 825,000 followers on the app. The app is quite active, lots of messages put out there. You can definitely tell there isn't too much moderation. For a little while there, it was a bit of the Wild West, but slowly people are self-moderating and things seem to be getting a bit under control, with more civil discussions and more pertinent discussions being brought up, with people bringing up their points of views and analysis. So you can look at the graph today. Pre-market, it wasn't looking very bright. The stock dropped initially down to the high 50s. It went down as low as $59, and then from there it has slowly risen up to $63. If you were able to catch it at $59 or even $60, that is a huge bargain. You got a steal right there. I think with the Security and Exchange Commission looking into changing the rules about blank check companies and how they merge with existing entities in a view to strengthening the position and protections for investors, that might be a little hiccup for Digital World Acquisition Corporation. But knowing that President Trump is behind this deal, and knowing how resilient and savvy he is when it comes to negotiating deals, I think that investors in this SPAC will actually have a very good deal over the mid-term to the long term. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys, that even though we may seem to be in the red with the Digital World Acquisition Corporation stock, but you can see that over the course of the day, if you cut it just right, you would have made some returns. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in reviewing what exactly is happening with Digital World Acquisition Corporation. On the Trump Media and Technology Group side, I haven't been to their website today, but I see there's a flurry of activity, so I know something might be cooking. Anyways, there's a backlog also of people waiting to get on the Truth Social platform. So progressively, people are being let on there, and as the user base increases, so too will the clout and following of President Donald Trump and also Donald Trump Jr. or Eric Trump. Thanks once more for joining me. This is not stock advice. This is just a random pick of stocks which I think are quite interesting, and which I would like to share with those on this channel. Do your own due diligence and do be careful. You could lose real world money on the stock market. Put your money where your heart is and be very careful with your investments. If in doubt, consult with a financial expert. Thanks again.